Well, guys, we just arrived at Alderbury Street. Now we have to walking around 1.5 kilo. So now we're gonna go to the Boldpark. Boldpark. See ya. Guys, we already in the Relax Reserve, but we're not gonna stop in here because actually we're going to the Boldpark. Still have to like 1 kilometers away to. So guys, we are already in Boldpark. Now we wanna go to Rebolt Hills. Can walk through this way, maybe around 800 meters, but it's really cold. So guys, we are here. Now we're gonna come to the hills, see the view. See you guys. Hi guys, this is Saturday 25 July 2020. We are here, arrived at the Boldpark. So we are gonna going over there to see the scenic lookout. It calls Rebel Hills. So come on. 4. Come guys. Here we go. We nearly arrived to the lookout, and I'm so excited, even I'm so sleepy. And see, who is he? Alright guys, I will show you the best view for this morning, and let's see together. This is the trek around 1800 meters, and so voila. Woo! Finally, I'm arrived at the Rebolt Hills scenic view. Can you come here, guys? I want to show you something. It's over there, the building. It's famous building in Perth. It's Rio Tinto. You can saw from here. Oh my god. And today is really fucking cold, 13 degrees in the morning. I should wake up early morning, preparing the food, and then we took a bus and arrived in here walking. And it's really nice to spend the weekend just like hiking. I'm not regretting wake up this morning to get this view. You guys should come here when you are in Perth. This is free, this is easy trek. Okay, let's see what's in next. So guys, this is the view. So guys, it's nice if you come with your couple. There's a bench. You can take a seat here, hugging each other or kissing with this view. Oh my god, so sweet. But I'm alone. I'm coming with Claudia. What am I doing? Actually, I'm wrong. We're not arrived yet to the lookout, but here we go. The summit lookout, about 150 meters. Let's go. Actually, I was wrong before. So this is the lookout, and we're gonna walk here. Yes. You guys, if you come to Perth, you should try to come in here as well. This is literally nice place to see everything from the top. Especially bring your friends or your couples to enjoy this beautiful view, beautiful moment, guys. Whew. Oh my god, so good. Wow, the view is so amazing. Wow, it's like never-ending view. A lot of spot to make stop to enjoy the breathtaking view. You can see the Perth city from here, and there. Here we go. I'm gonna reach the end of this trail. Tracer the start. Wow, guys. So, oh my god, I'm not regretting wake up this early morning like normal day. This is so good. So to come in here is like just make a plan yesterday with my roommate, and then I decided, okay, let's come to Boldpark. I want to see and it's like only took one bus, and after that like walking 1.5 kilo, and after that arrived to the Boldpark, and to get reach this scenic view lookout, you guys need just walking at 100 meters only. So this is literally easy trekking. You're not gonna be lost in here, guys. Here we go. We arrived at the end of the scenic lookout. We arrived to the place that I want to show you, and this is my list, and I'm done it this morning. It's 9 a.m. in the morning now. I wanna take a stop before we're going home. So this is another view. You see the blue ocean there. It's a city beach and Indian Ocean, and you see the small island. If you can see, guys, really, I can see from here, but I'm not sure from the camera. It's Rotnas Island. Well, this is really nice place. You can see like whole the city from here. Oh, hi guys. Okay, finally we are arrived the end of this video. So this is the lookout from scenic Ripple Hills lookout. And then, so guys, join me for another episode. Go explore with Tria. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. Bye. Mwah, mwah. Okay, we can take it now.